10:30 motivated, then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be doing a set of nails using the Apres method, and this is similar to like doing gel X nails, which are really in, and I've seen a lot of videos of people doing them in like high class salons, so it's pretty cool method. So I'm just taking some full cover nail tips, and these are the Visitas nail tips, and some base coat, and just pressing it on and putting them under my light to cure them in place. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? And as you can see, the base coat got all over my cuticles, and that contributes to lifting. So obviously we're going to file that off and seal around the cuticle area with our file afterwards. But right now I'm just sharpening the shape. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching. So I'm going around the cuticle area with a sanding band and my e-file, just so that it looks really neat and there's no lifting and stuff like that. And I'm also removing the shine from the rest of the nail tip so that the gel and the other designs like the rhinestones and stuff adhere well. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. So after that, I'm just going to buff it out to remove any scratches and ridges. So I've washed my hands, and the cuticle area and everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm taking that same base coat gel, and I'm just using it to create like a swirl design on my middle finger. And yeah, I'm just going to leave it wet, and then I'm going to add some glitter on top and then cure it in the light. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it's contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you.
So I'm making sure to clean around the swirl before curing.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe.
On the index finger and the pinky finger, I'm going to add like this little outline design.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby.
So now I'm going to be adding some rhinestones. These are the rhinestones that I'm going to be using. So I'm adding some base coat gel, and I'm just adding a pink rhinestone, like a large pink rhinestone, and then small little clear rhinestones around the perimeter of that first rhinestone.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. But can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew it from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Now I'm taking my white acrylic powder from Mia's Secret, and I'm going to be doing some 3D nail art. I'm going to be doing a flower on my ring finger, and those rhinestones that I placed earlier are going to serve as the center of the flower.
You make it way too hard hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel.
So the key to 3D nail art is making sure the beads of acrylic are dry enough. So if it's spreading out on its own, you know it's too wet.
It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby. Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you.
So I added the second flower off camera, and now I'm just adding some rhinestones.
Then drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love. It took a lot of hard shit just to learn how not to break down and stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste, I stay straight to your face, won't contemplate, you got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you, and I'm catching feelings, baby. trying to know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
So now I'm just adding some top coat, and these are the McCart top coat from the purple kit. And make sure that you're not getting any top coat on the rhinestones because it messes up the shine. And yeah, I'm just being very careful. And then I'm also going to top coat the underside of the nails because it makes the clear nails really shine and really pop. Anyways, that's the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on my Instagram. Bye.
I ask myself, is this shit real?